Hello, another CODEWARS challenge before us. So today we have a 7-key fix my phone numbers. Oh, thank God you're here. The last intern has completely ruined everything. All of our customers' phone numbers have been scrambled, and we need those phone numbers to annoy them with endless sales calls. Phone numbers are stored as a string and comprise of 11 digits, example. You must always start with a 0. However, something strange has happened and now all of the phone numbers contain lots of random characters, white spaces, and some are not phone numbers at all, for example. And there are lots more lines that we need to check. The task. Given a string, you must decide whether or not it contains a valid phone number. If it does, return the corrected phone number as a string, example, with no white spaces or special characters, else return not a phone number. Alright, so let's think about it for a moment and we'll be back with a solution. Alright, so we are back in the CODEWARS console. I will be using JavaScript, but you can also use like Chash, Python, Scala or CoffeeScript. So firstly, I think that we will need to do a check on the string, and the regex seems to be a good idea. So let's do a const num, which will equal string match, and then let's match digits, and we need to match them globally, not just the first occurrence. And let's then do a return. So if num length is equal 11 and num at 0 and the num at 0 element is in fact 0, so we can account for those cases that the proper phone number is 11 digits and starting with 0. Then we want to return a number, but we need to join it because it's an array right now. Or we will return, what was the message? Not a phone number. Let's see if it will work. Cannot read property of null reading length. Okay, so probably here can be a null. So let's do a fallback to an empty array. So let's test it now. Okay, that works, and that works. Okay, so just to go briefly through that one more time. We are taking a string, we are doing regex matching, so we are looking only for digits, and we are looking for all the digits, so that's why the global flag here. If it doesn't return anything, we are giving a fallback to an empty array. And then we are returning depending on if num length is equal 11 and the first number is 0, so that it's the proper number due to the kata description, we are returning the number as a string, so we are joining this array which we got from the regex. Or on the other hand, we are returning not a phone number, which was the message. So that's it for today. See you next time.